Hello and welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. Myself Reena. Today I am going to teach you different types of application software. As you know that software is classified into major categories: system software and application software. System softwares are those softwares which is responsible to perform different types of tasks, whereas application softwares are those softwares which is used to perform only specific tasks. It means the application softwares are collection of programs which is responsible to do the specific task. There are different types of application softwares available which is categorized in three major categories. The first category is general purpose application software. The second category of application software is specific purpose application software, and the third category is customized software. Here we will discuss what is the meaning of general purpose application software. The general purpose application softwares are easily available in our computer system with a Microsoft package, and it is available with different types of collection of programs which is responsible and manage our day-to-day work, like the MS Office package available with Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Here the word processing softwares are responsible to do the documentation work. The MS Excel and spreadsheet program is responsible to organize the large amount of data in a systematic and tabular manner, while the presentation softwares are responsible to display our ideas in a digital form and represent it in a well managed sequence. These types of softwares are easily available and cheap, which is known as general purpose, and it is useful for everyone. The another types of software is known as specific purpose software. The specific purpose softwares are specially designed to perform some specific tasks like accounting management, reservation system, hotel booking system. All these softwares are responsible to do only one task at the same time, and it is especially designed by the software developers, so it is known as special purpose application software. Apart from this, there is another category of software which is known as customized software. The customized softwares are those softwares which is responsible to perform a special task, but it also allows us to customize it as per the user wish. Nowadays we are using Android mobile system which contain different mobile apps. Apart from the Android operating system, we are also using the latest version of Windows operating system, which also uses Windows 10, which also uses different types of softwares as application, which is known as apps. But here we are discussing about the mobile apps. These mobile apps are short form of any application software which is easily accessible by the mobile. There are different types of applications available, like it is categorized in desktop apps, web apps and mobile apps. The application softwares which is available in a short form or shortcut in our desktop computer is known as desktop app, like MS Paint, Notepad, word processor. All these applications available in our desktop is known as the desktop app. The another category of applications and apps are known as web apps. These apps require an internet connection to run it. It is only accessible by the web browser at the time of internet browsing. Some example of web apps are Google Maps, Instant Messenger, WhatsApp, etc. The another category of applications and apps are mobile apps. These apps are very frequently used in our smartphone and Android phone or tablet. These apps are usually smaller in size, which can be easily accessible in mobile devices. Mobile apps also come preloaded on the smartphone or tablet. Due to this category, mobile apps are classified in another category. Like the first category is known as native app. The native apps are those applications which is preloaded in our smartphone and it does not installed by Play Store. The another applications are hybrid apps. The hybrid apps act like web app and native app. It means we can also download it from web browsing and it can be easily available in preloaded smartphones. Let us discuss some general purpose application softwares. Apart from the Word, Excel and PowerPoint, we can also use some other general purpose application software like Desktop Database Management System, which is known as DBMS. It is specially designed to use and store large amount of data in a systematic manner. The another category of general purpose application software is Desktop Publishing Package. This application is especially used for desktop printing and publication like PageMaker, CorelDRAW, etc. The another category of general purpose software is multimedia software. Generally, it is used for customize our audio, video and image like Video Cutter, Image Editor, etc. All these categories of softwares are general purpose because it can be used by everyone. Some specific softwares are accounting management and reservation system, where accounting management like Tally is specially designed to perform the large amount of accounting data. The reservation systems are used in different places like hotel booking, railway reservation, etc., where it is only responsible to do the reservation. Another special types of softwares are known as attendance system. This type of software is specially designed to take the employee and student's attendance and keep it digital. The another category is school inventory control. It means here we can use a digital platform to arrange and customize the large amount of inventory stored in our schools. The HR management software is basically used in business process, where we can use to manage human resource, like it is generally used for the business and corporate sector to keep the data of their employees. Payroll system, it is also used in different organizations to pay the salary of the employees. Billing system, nowadays it is very important, where we can see the same system is used in hotels, malls and etc. for billing process, which is especially designed to generate the purchase bill. So these types of softwares are nowadays very useful in our day-to-day. Thanking you.